to my channel. My name is Darnell, and today I'm going to work on this 10 by 20 canvas. I'm going to do some more of the interference paint, but I did add a couple more colors. So let's start off with what we have. I have violet left over from my last painting, and this is the Deco Art Media Fluid Acrylics. And I have blue, and then just a little bit of the gold, and that's also from Deco Art. Then I mixed up some magenta and Amsterdam Pearl Blue. We'll have to see how much that differs from the other blue that I have. All right, I'm gonna coat this with black, and let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the blue. I want to make sure that I leave some black in between. Okay, and then this is the gold that has the pearl medium, so this is going to be just kind of a pearl accent. And then next we'll do violet. Whoops. This is magenta. And then this is the pearl blue from Amsterdam. So we're going to see how close of a blue it is to the other. I don't want to get it too close to it just in case it's identical. Boy, those colors are really starting to show up right now. Do it over here. A little of the pearl here. All right, I think that's all I'm going to do. Got my steel ball. Now for my favorite part. Getting close. Wow. Well, get over here. We're going to leave that right there. Wow, there's some magical things going on. I'm going to take off these gloves so I don't get paint on there. Right back. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up wet. The colors are now starting to pop. It's beautiful. So I can't wait to see this when it is dry. All right, here we go. Okay, so here it is all dry. It is not varnished. It is so cool. Every time I look at it, I see something different. And you can tell here, this is the new blue that I tried, and this is the old one. So that's a little difference there. And then this is the magenta, the new color I just tried, and then this is the violet that I used before. I love it.